How to use isofix car seat in the car. We can attach the car seat by two ways. First way, by using isofix connector. Attach the connector to the car teaser. Once attached, the red indicator turns green. You can rotate the car seat 360 degrees. Pull this button to rotate. And pull this button to incline and decline. This is the second part of the isofix system for more safety. Click this button to extend the belt. Hook the belt into the trunk teaser. Tighten the belt firmly. This is how the belt is tightened for stability. You must loose the belt to adjust the car seat. If you are facing any struggle to attach the connector, use this plastic guide. The second way to use a car seat in your car. Let's attach it to face forward. Pass the belt through the back of the car seat. Attach the belt like this and tighten. Let's see how to attach the belt on first stage. Remove the pad. Attach the belt like this. Replace the pad back. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and visit our store in Cairo or visit our website www.babyislandege.com.